Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge two rows in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I merge two rows in this document. At first, you have to insert a table in this document. Go to insert menu and click this table option. Now draw your table. Now select these tables, then wait. Again go to insert menu and draw your table. Now select this table and make white better on this table. Click 3pt. Now I merge two rows in this table. At first you have to select a cell. Click a cell on your mouse. Then select these two rows to drag on your mouse. Now go to format menu. Now click table option. Now you can see here are merge cell option. Just press it. Now you can see I merged two rows in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.